Hey, how's it going, folks? This is Jonathan Coates, and in today's free training, I'm going to be showing you how to get .edu links and why they're so powerful in our search engine optimization building strategy for getting backlinks and increasing our page ranking and our domain authority. Now, typically, .edu links are from academic institutions, colleges, schools, universities, so you can understand why these links are such high quality because they have such a high domain authority, and it will help you to build up trust and credibility in the search engine algorithms when they're crawling your page with the crawlers. So one thing that I forgot to mention a couple weeks back when I made my how to use drop my link to build up backlinks for your website is that you have the option, and I'll just go and show you here, to choose .edu links, and you also have .gov.gov links. But just for this video, I'm going to talk about .edu. So as the months and the years go along, I'm going to add more videos to my SEO strategy playlist, and I'm going to talk about stuff just like this when it comes to building backlinks, .edu links, editorial links, contextual links, .gov links, and I'm going to get more particular. So I'm going to start creating spreadsheets that you can use to help organize what backlinks are giving you the most traction and which aren't, and you can just organize and prioritize all of your different backlinks. So when it comes to .edu links, again, like I said, they're typically from academic institutions. They have high domain authority and high page rank. So as I mentioned in my drop my link video, you don't want to just be a drive-by commenter, leaving a sentence and then just putting your link and then leaving. What you want to do is you want to actually provide value, something that's relevant and congruent to that community, so that your article or whatever it is that you're posting doesn't get deleted in like a week or two or a month. Because typically what people do is they just leave one sentence, leave their link, and then they leave, and then they just spam that strategy on a bunch of different .edu websites. And that's not a long-term sustainable strategy. So what I'm going to share with you in this video is the correct way of going about doing it. And like I said, you just want to take the extra time to provide extra value for every backlink that you leave. Another way that you can get a .edu link is to actually offer discounts for students. So long as your business has offers or services that's relevant to students or is congruent to those students' wants, needs, and desires, you can actually get posted on the .edu website because it's relevant to the community and the students are finding it beneficial. Boom, you got a do follow link. Now, most students and most institutions, they have students who are on a journalist and they like write for the paper. You can actually contact those academias and actually get a free .edu backlink because they need to quote statistics and references and sources for their articles. And just like most journalists, they're always looking for a good story. So if you're able to call these student journalists and actually pitch them good ideas and give them good stories, there's a high chance that they might just quote you in that article, giving you a free .edu backlink, increasing your page authority and trust and value in the search engine's eyes. So a really clever and underused strategy that you can use to set yourself apart from the competition. Now, when it comes to posting comments on university blogs, you are more likely to get a no follow link, and so it doesn't really impact much as far as like your page authority and page ranking, but it's still worth mentioning that because a lot of people don't know that. They actually go out and they try to get .edu links to increase their page ranking by just commenting on university blog. But it's still a good method though, because you can get targeted traffic to your website if your offer, product, and services is relevant to that selected market. But just keep in mind when you comment on the university's blog, or if you going out just trying to get .edu links with the purpose of increasing your page ranking, if you're doing that, you're going to get no follow link. Although that is one of the easiest way to get .edu backlinks, it doesn't carry much significance for SEO when it comes to building up page ranking. If you can create a valuable resource that's very beneficial to the students of this academic institution, because most academic libraries have their own separate website from the main school that has a .edu that's managed by like the librarians and the staff. You can actually contact them, become friends with them, and have a valuable resource that has like a lot of articles, bullet points, and just resources and tools that students can use and find helpful. You have a high chance of getting on that .edu website and getting you some good backlinks. So if I was to type in Kansas University, I just want to show you what came up the last time I checked this out. So if I type that in and I have .edu up and I click on search, it's going to give me these two results right here. Now, just based off of this, you will go, okay, I can't really do anything with this. These are actually both .edu websites. And if you put on MySpar, just click on it twice. Oops, just make sure that this comes up. If you go to the main website for Academia.edu, the page authority is 75, they have over 3 million backlinks. So this is a high domain authority of 93 as well. So if you get your article placed on here, you get your link in here, you can get you a .edu backlink. This website is mainly for uploading PDFs, but as you can see, they actually have information below the PDF, and they have links in here where you can post to your website, and this person is getting .edu links from Academia.edu. So just by typing in whatever and drop my link, it'll take you to some results that you can just navigate around and sift through, and then just use drop my link to get you a whole query of websites. And then just understand that you use this tactfully and kind of go about this in a way where you're trying to be strategic about this, you can get you a significant amount of .edu links. So long as you have something of relevance and value. But yeah, I just wanted to show you that example. So if we go back to drop my link, I just want to show you this. So let's just go to resource pages. So in this case, we'll just type in Newyork Institution. Okay. All right. So as you can see, for Newyork Institution, I got a lot of stuff that came up, and I got Mozbar on. So we got the page authority of 47 here, domain authority of 91. New York City Resources.edu. Boom, student information and resources. So as you can imagine, you can take the strategies and the tactics that I shared with you a little bit earlier, and then you can go there and then just see what you can do here. And I haven't clicked on it yet. And we also have the same website, another .edu, for campus resources. So again, if you have something of relevant value to those students that they can use and reference in their own material, then they're likely to actually quote you, especially like the Student Government Association, the people who manage the newspaper for that institution. So like here's another one. You got Suny, SUNY.edu, with a domain authority of 70 and a page authority of 37. So this is just a couple of different examples. This is all New York right here, but these are all .edu websites. So drop my link is an enormous value as far as getting .edu official academic websites. So I'll just go ahead and use one more example here. So I typed in London Academia and NYU, Academia. Let's see, Syracuse, London Resources.edu. Domain authority of 86, page authority of 38. So as you can see, this strategy is very useful, and this website, Drop My Link, helps out a lot as far as getting to those specific links that we're looking for and using the strategy. And if you have Mozbar, you can actually see some useful and relevant intel to this strategy as far as like the page authority, because the higher the page authority, the higher and more valuable that .edu link is for our overall method here. All right, so that'll pretty much be it for this video. I hope you enjoy. In this video, we talked about .edu links, why you want to use them, how powerful they are, because they're coming from official academic institutions, schools, colleges, universities. So you are able to build up trust and value in the search engines. And every time they crawl your website, they see that link and your credibility just gets boosted and your page authority goes up higher. So this is a very powerful strategy, and I showed you how you can use Drop My Link in order to find different resources and relevant websites that you can use, whether you're going about getting local resources or you're just going about getting like any type of .edu anywhere in the world or in your local country. So if you like content like this, then I highly recommend that you check out my website in the description. You see it, jonathancoates.net. I talk about everything when it comes to increasing sales and generating traffic. So with that said, I will see you in the next video. See you then.